Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good day to you all, and welcome back to Authentic Cryptos channel. All right. As we all have seen, the cPen core team has made an announcement that they are done with the cPen token distributions, which means that they have distributed all the tokens to all the eligible participants. Right. So I believe by now everybody that participated in the project has seen their tokens. But they have not received your tokens, then there's one or two things that you should put in place, right, to make sure that you receive your tokens. It's not a rocket science, it's not magic. I'll be showing you guys what to do at the ending part of this video, right? So if you click on this announcement section, where you will see the announcement they made concerning the token distribution. Let's go there and see what they said. All right. So, as cPen community, network community, we are excited to announce that the cPen token distribution has successfully concluded. Note, a 3% processing fee was applied, so your distributed amount is slightly lower than your verified amount. So this is the tokenomics breakdown of cPen core team. So the total supply is 3.3 billion. Total mined is 2 billion. Then this one will be locked for 5 years. And the token contract address, right? Well, okay, the tokens, right? The mainnet reward tokens. Then the team, the ecosystem, the non-locked allocation process fee. Then thank you for your continued support. Stay tuned for more updates. So all these things are just the tokenomics breakdown. But the most important take of this announcement is that the token distribution has successfully been concluded. Though some people reached out to me earlier that they have not seen their tokens, though I don't know if they have seen it right now. But if you have not seen your token, then it simply means that you have not watched the previous video that I made about how to import your contract address in either your Trust wallet or your MetaMask, right? Because if you have not imported the cPen token contract address, even though they send a coin to you, you are not going to see it because the address you submitted is your BNB address, which means that the cPen contract address is not visible in your wallet. There's no place it will appear. So all you have to do is just to make sure you watch that previous video that we did about how to import your contract address on MetaMask and Trust Wallet. Then you follow the step-by-step guide, import it, and your token will appear. Because I'm very, very sure that if you did everything correctly the way it's supposed to be, definitely you will receive your token. If you pass your KYC and submitted your BSC wallet address, definitely your token is already in your wallet. Just that it's not visible yet because you have not taken the right direction. So I'll try my possible best to link the link to that particular video in the description section and comment section of this video if possible. All you have to do is just click on it, watch it clearly, follow the step-by-step guide, import the cPen token contract address. Is also in the description section of this video, which is the contract address. If you import it, you will see that your cPen will be reflecting there immediately. But if after everything is not still reflecting, then I would advise you to kind of import your wallet passphrase to either OKS wallet or BitGet wallet. Then by so doing, from there you will now import the contract address and you will receive your tokens. So all these are very simple, but all I know is that if you follow the step-by-step guide, you will receive your token in your MetaMask or your Trust wallet, right? You don't really have to do much, right? Just watch that previous video and see how we're able to do that. Then follow that step-by-step guide and you receive your tokens. But if after everything you still get anything confused along the line, don't forget to drop it in the comment section right here. We'll still reach out to you and know what your problem is. Then we'll know how to sort it out for everybody. So that is just that, and that is just the information right here. We just have to keep our hands locked and wait and see when they will make announcement for the token listing. And I believe everybody that made use of their Bitmart exchange has already received their tokens as well. So we just stay tuned and see when the token listing will be live. According to the team, they promised us early April, though no specific date yet. So our hands are locked as we wait for the official listing date announcement from the team. So till then, continue mining ink tokens. The best is yet to come. So together we shall see how everything will play out. All right. So thank you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day and stay safe. Bye.